Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a ShareASale review and breaking down what it is, how it works, what's good, and what to consider before joining. ShareASale is an affiliate marketing network that connects affiliates and publishers with brands and merchants, so creators can earn commissions by promoting products and services. Instead of working with just one company, you can join ShareASale and choose from thousands of different affiliate programs all in one place. One of the biggest strengths of ShareASale is how wide and diverse the marketplace is. There are tons of advertisers in categories like fashion, health, tech, home goods, digital products, services, and more. This makes it easy to find products that match your content and audience. You can browse offers, compare commission rates, and pick the ones you think will perform best for you. Another advantage is that ShareASale provides analytics and reporting tools. You can track how many clicks you get, how many conversions happen through your links, and how much you're earning. Having this kind of data helps you see what's working and what's not, so you can refine your strategy over time. ShareASale also offers reliable tracking and payment systems. Affiliates are paid regularly once they reach the minimum payout threshold, and most users find the system trustworthy with clear payment schedules, which is important when you're building a sustainable income stream. However, there are some drawbacks to think about. One is that getting approved for individual merchant programs can sometimes take time. Even though you can join the network quickly, some advertisers require review or vetting before you're accepted into their specific program, which can slow things down. Another point is that commission rates vary widely depending on the merchant. Some brands pay high percentages, while others pay very little. So earnings depend on the products you choose and how well they convert with your audience. Success usually comes from selective promotion and consistent content creation. ShareASale's interface can also feel a bit overwhelming for beginners because there are so many options and settings. But once you get familiar with it, it becomes easier to use. So who is ShareASale best for? It works well for bloggers, content creators, and affiliate marketers who want access to multiple affiliate programs in one place. If you create product reviews, niche guides, comparison content, or recommendations, ShareASale gives you a centralized way to find and manage affiliate partnerships. Overall, ShareASale is a solid affiliate marketing network with a large selection of merchants, reliable tracking and payment, and useful analytics. It might take a little time to learn, but for creators who want to earn through affiliate promotion, it's a strong option to explore. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want reviewed next.